Hi, my name is Ashley, and I decided to take this course because I think that I'd like to pursue a career in medical social work. I'm interested in possibly working in a pediatric setting, such as a doctor's office or hospital, where hopefully I can do assessments, refer out for services, and hopefully have an impact on all over preventative care for at-risk families. I'm hoping to learn in this class, what I'm hoping to learn in this class. I would like to learn how to better identify a family as at risk. Also, what kind of situations put a family at risk. For example, I feel familiar with things such as abuse, substance use, lack of resources, but I'm also interested in learning about other possible issues that could put a family at risk. One of the things that you think your classmates should know in regards to how you feel about child abuse. Well, during my first field placement, I was in a behavior-based program, education program for youth. I was exposed to many children who had experienced child abuse or were at risk of experiencing child abuse. My experience in dealing with this population, with the children and their families, taught me a lot about the importance of education, educating families how to properly take care of their children, providing support to them, and also providing resources to those families to help them. My supervisor really talked to me a lot about the importance of using a systems approach with at-risk families. She felt that this was the best way to make changes over time and change patterns. So looking at the community, looking at their support systems, looking at the families, the education, all the different things in their lives and finding ways to help support them. And during my short time at my internship, I really did feel this was a beneficial approach. It certainly takes a long time to make these big changes, but I think it was a good way to support the family and to see change over time. I really look forward to this class. I think it's going to be really beneficial to what I hope to pursue with my career, and I'm also just really interested to learn about everyone else's perspectives and different types of risks that can be potential issues for families. All right, bye-bye.